Right. So I asked a question, how to begin? And a peer correctly said, when she looked at this is saying g of f of x, meaning we have to substitute f into g because we always start from the right. F is the domain function into g, which is the range function. You don't really have to go step by step like how I have it there. You see, domain function, range function, clear bracket, simplify. How would you do it? Substituting f into g, how would you do it? Look f and look g. Right, look f and look g, how would you do it? Open bracket, that's how you'd start. Why don't you start with the left side? Because you're going to write a function, g of f is equal to. Because you say open bracket, then you write in an expression. Now we can open bracket, you see? Okay. Let me not tell you what to do. Open bracket. You start by saying open. Let me see what you're thinking. Open bracket. Yes. And now the open bracket. Oh. And 2x minus 14 in the open bracket, yes. Divided by, very correct. Just a minute. 17. Open bracket. 2x minus 14, close bracket. Now she's very correct, and look at what math type put a fraction there one time. Wow, I never knew that it would do that. Let me see. So I just discovered something there. So I didn't go to math type to get the fraction. I could have gotten, I would have went there, but I just, let me just do what you're saying. And math type automatically realizes a fraction I want to write. So look, it gave me a fraction. The only thing, it put the -1 where it's not supposed to be, right? The -1 is supposed to be down there. So I just discovered something there. I don't necessarily have to go. So let me see if it will work. If I want to write a fraction using math type, do I necessarily have to go and type fractions? Let me see. So if I go there, let's say x is equal to 4/5. So math type automatically puts it up and down. Okay, so we have just discovered there something new. Always discovering something new as you go along. So now the next step is to clear brackets and simplify. Let's do that one time. So our numerator stays the same. There's no brackets there, but what can I write below there? 7 times 2 is how much? 7 times -14 is -1. So we clear in brackets. -248. -248 subtract 1 is how much? So -248 subtract 1 is -239, and that's our answer, gf of x is equal to right, so that is equal to 34x minus 238. So here it is, okay? So that's basically what you do for number 2. You can follow the 4-step process nicely, like what we have it here. Domain, range in brackets, substitute, clear brackets, simplify. Or you can just do it one time. Put f into g one time. All we have x. So now if you notice there, you can put f there, and you have to put f there. And that's what she f. Clear brackets, 7 to the 44, 17 by minus 14 is negative 48. Simplify. And then here you have it. Final answer. Yes. Five x minus 4. I don't understand. Okay, so let's check your question. She's saying if we want to simplify, if we can leave it further like that, or if you can continue.